Good morning, friends. My Professor Ripuranjan Sinha, President Innovation Society of India, Director General Council for Sustainable Peace and Development, Development Consortium, Republic of South Sudan. As a Professor of Information and Communication Technology and promoter of global innovation and sustainable development in line with United Nations Sustainable Development Agenda 2030, Uganda Development Agenda 2040, African Union Development Agenda 2063, and India Sustainable Development Group, India Index, Sustainable Growth Index, India Act 75. Today I'm going to discuss, I'm going to emphasize what's the strategy of the government of India towards the Make in India. Because Make in India is the new terminology comes from word Swadeshi movement that was held on 1905. So this is the another name of the Swadeshi movement. I am also associated with the Swadeshi Sanatan Sangh as a Rajasthan Pradesh Sanjoyak. So today I am going to emphasize the word Make in India or Swadeshi. So Make in India, this presentation is prepared by Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India, or as a global leader of innovation, peace and sustainable development. I'm going to emphasize on this very vibrant topic of the Government of India initiative towards the Make in India. So let's Make in India and understand what is all about Make in India and their strategy policy. So the basic challenges in front of the Government of India or Indian infrastructure regarding the we have to grow 10% for the 3 decades is this of doing policy. Make in India a part of global supply chain, boosting domestic business, developing India through an industry-based economy, young India, skilling the nation and creating opportunity, making India hub for research and development. Urbanization, a unique opportunity. These are the challenges. So basically, through these challenges, I like to recall, I like to request, I like to request to the global leader to be and participate in India, invest in India and like that. So basic advantage of India is that India has the third largest GDP in the size, about 8.6 trillion US dollar. As for the growth rate concerned, 7.6, fastest growing economy in the world 2015 and 16 data. As for the foreign reserve concerned, 366.7 billion USD is the foreign reserve of the India. Road network second largest in the world, that is at 33 lakh kilometers. As per the internet user concern, India has the second largest in the world, that is 462 million internet users. Population between age groups 15 to 64, that is 767 million. That is another very large demographic dividend of the India for the manpower concern, human resources, high skilled human resources. As per the urban population concern, that is a 377 million. 30 people have moved every minute to the urban area. This is another big advantage. Means every minute, 30 people move every minute, and 30 people move in urban areas. So as per the railway network connect concern, that is the second largest population travel every day. So in the case of unparalleled economy, we want to track that the economy sector concerned, huge consumer market by the 2025. That is a BCG study report. That is huge market, approximately 3.6 billion trillion dollar 3.6 trillion USD dollar by 2025. This is history. As well as Australia's GDP growth concerned, around $20 trillion by 25 by the PP report. As per the social concern, youngest nation of the world, with the 29 years of the average age of the youngest nation, average age that is going to be a 29 year in 2025. Of broad mobility, 150 million more added to middle class by 2025. Skill workforce concern, 99% literacy by 2025. As for the political concern, inclusion in the banking system, 241 million accounts open under a banking for all scheme by the government of India. As for the deregulation concern, 100,000 plus RCEP law repealed to reduce red tape mechanism. So deregulation is also unparalleled opportunity for the government of India, especially in India. So, as per the advances concern of the India, the projection of strong economic growth amongst global slowdown. So, GDP growth rate concerned about that in the US of 5.6 to 8.1 and 7.8 to 5.8. India remain a oasis of the growth among slowing global economy. As per the 2003 to 2022 concern, that the 2.2 to 1.6, India is projected to be the fastest growing major economy in 2027, surprising China. The trend is expected to continue at least till 2021. So another second part is the premises to strong consumer market combined with the huge large working population. As per the concern about the total population of nuclear civilizations is the same. That the total population in 2015 that was 1,311 in the cases of and 57 the case and the working age population is 860. But in the case of 230, you are able to expect the cases is that 1,528 that will be the total population of India and working population around the 1,033. That is the cases. Here in the cases of 2050, in the cases of 51, 1,705 is crore shall be the age of the working total population of India. That is a prediction, but working population is the 1,105. So is group concerned about a 0 to 40 years, first that will be the youngest 25 years. So income level is expected to triple by 2035. Urban markets and account for 2/3 of the consumption growth over the coming decade. Working population to increase by 33% to reach 1.14 billion by 2025. India is the youngest nation with the average median age shall be 37.5 years by 2025. By 2050, is India is the youngest nation with the average median age shall be the 30.5 years by 2050. This is still we are the youngest nation of the world going to be and right now. So period of the new resurgent India concerned about that. So we have the new process, new sector, new approach, new infrastructure, new innovation and research and development and new mindset. So as per the new process concerned, ease of doing business, GST, demonetization that is already over the new process, new sector, major foreign direct investment reform and inflow is going to on by the government of India and the government of India concerned. New approach, Make in India, Digital India and Skill India. And I would like to add on that the Innovate India, that is very basic requirement for the government of for the Indian national. Because if Indian government, Indian people, Indian human resource or Indian infrastructure not innovate perfectly, then we can't be the developed nation. So our duty must be there. Innovate India project also shall be included as a new approach. And from the Innovation Society of India, we are ready to take the Innovate India project as per the if government of India will give me the chance to work, and innovate India, then definitely we and my team of the Innovation Society of India will take over this project effectively and successfully. This is my challenge and that is my assurance. So new infrastructure, key infrastructure and urbanization is concerned. Sustainability, sustainable city. This is another project we are going to implement. Is new innovation and research and development, like the India Design and Innovation Concern, Startup India, intellectual property rights, new mindsets from red to red economy. So it is going on under the dynamic leader of, like dynamic leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi and their cabinet minister is working too hard to create no mindset in India that is from red tap to the red carpet. So, Make in India initiative, new process, easy of doing business is one of the most crucial factors to promote India as a preferred manufacturing destination. So, easy of doing business, improve business, process and procedure, open up new avenue of the opportunity and create confidence among entrepreneurs. So, this process is going on. Is another phase there of the Swadeshi. Make in India is a Swadeshi, and the Swadeshi initiative is Make in India just after the long time, after 2024 towards 2014. New process, easy of doing business is one of the most crucial factors to promote India as a preferred manufacturing destination. Easy of doing business concern, improve business process and procedure, open up new avenue of opportunity and create confidence among entrepreneurs. So easy of doing business concern, efficiency of the government of India on easy of doing business process, making India the easiest and simplest place to do business. Improvement, simplification, and rationalization of the existing rules and acts. Introduction of IT for more efficient and effective governance. Easy of doing business ranking concern up to 111 places getting electricity parameter of World Bank doing business before 14 to 16. Environment clearance validity increased from 3 to 7 years. That is also very big reason to doing business. Easy of doing business concern. Single window clearance government of India created. Recently, I connected with the government of India to Prime Minister's office. When I sent a mail to the government of India, they also created automated policy about the response of the message and letter of the all Indian citizens. Single window clearance is indicated for the 6 department. Custom 24 into 7 custom clearance at the 19 ports of India, 7 air, 20 air cargo and complexes are there. Environment clearance concern not required for 36 white industry. That is included in the white industry. You may also see the list of white industry from the different source of the database. So as per the easy of doing business state focus, state in India competing to become the most investment friendly destination. That is the 7,124 easy of doing business reform implemented by 30 states and United Territories. So if reform category tax reform, single window systems and environment concern reform taken by the state and number was implementing the reform. So tax reform 100% implementation in the 6 states. Single window clearance 100% online system for paying tax return, single window for the payment and approval, 100% implementation of single window system reforms, 100% implementation of easy of doing business environment reform, exemption of selected green and white industry from the pollution board clearance. Your state focus concern the 4.4 construction inspection, 100% implementation inspection on in the 10 state, permissions for the joint inspection under 10 Act, in state, building plan approval, online system for automatic building a plan approval, dispute resolution, is filing system for the commercial dispute in district and commercial court. Establishing a specialized court at the district court level to resolve commercial dispute. So GST is the good and service tax is also one of the very big reform by the government of India. What is GST for in the future? Easy of doing the removal of 17 indirect tax levies, thus reducing cascading effect of tax, simplification of tax administration and compliances, more transparent indirect tax regime, increased tax collection, removal of interstate tax levies, inclusively unorganized sector to come under the tax regime. Cost advantage concern drop in the cost of capital goods, lower inventory and working capital requirements, seamless transfer of goods in the country, efficient and low cost logistics. So demonetization is the unofficial diversification of GDP growth, inclusion of informal economy to the formal one, rural economy and a small scale sector to move to e-payment, boost online e-transaction, a boost to online formal business with elimination of cash on delivery model, strengthening the bank structure, bank to reduce interest rate and expand credit due to higher liquidity available, formal payment structure for contract, labor, and daily basis earners, inclusivity, increased banking penetration and financial inclusion. Mechanization, new sector open up to provide impetus to domestic industry. Major FDI reform and inflow. FDI shifts from the country's economic development and create more conducive environment for the industry to grow. Major foreign direct investment inflow, Make in India FCC, unprecedented growth in the FDI inflow after launch of Make India initiative. In the cases of variance from the December, July 2012 to 2014 and October 2014 to 16. So this is a major growth, 49% in the FDI and especially in the case of research, FDI equity inflow that USA in Milan 92.1, so growth is 52% the FDI equity. So major infra inflows, US growth, year-on-year growth is a strong fundamental increase confidence of foreign investors. 23% growth in FDI inflow. First is, so you are saying that the highest ever FDI inflow of the last 2.5 years, that is 149 billion USD. That is 31% of the community FDI inflow over the past 19 years. USD 472 billions. So major FDI inflow, the key FDI inflow creating across the following sector: defense manufacturing, food processing, telecommunication, agriculture, pharmaceuticals, civil aviation, space, private security agencies, railways, insurance, pensions, medical devices, single brand retails. Make in India initiative concern new approach, national initiative to showcase the manufacturing power and opportunity along with the developing talent and international. Make in India, Digital India, and Skill India. And now I would suggest to include Innovate India also in this paradigm. Prime Minister or Honorable Prime Minister in India has elevated India as a manufacturing destination on the world stage. India has become sixth largest manufacturing country in the world from the ninth after making India. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi is very strong concept, strong vision towards the Make in India concept. Prime Minister Narendra Modi Sahab, Make in India has elevated India as a manufacturing destination on the world stage. India has become sixth largest manufacturing country in the world from the ninth after making India. So these view in these cases of social media studies and like that, million future concern. So Make in India is that objective, basic objective of the Make in India is to promote India as the most preferred of global manufacturing destination. MII is making this in action plan prepared in 2014 for the 22-1 focus sector, drawing in constitution with the state government uniform, union minister and ministry stakeholders. Under the MIE action plan, a total of 57 short-term action plans and 65 medium-term action plans were formulated. 73% of the implementation has been achieved for the short-term action, 24% implementation for the medium-term. Make in India concern taking MIE to Make in India is a global arena. Make in India Mittelstand. Another milestone to improve the ease of doing business in India, designed to attract more German company to India to make the market of the company. a smooth process. This will be replicated across other identified costs countries, especially about the strategic consultant. And I also like to implement in the Republic of South Sudan strategic consultant, operational marketing support, financial services, location services, facility of approval from the central state agency, merger and acquisition advice, tax and legal support, project and technology collaboration, access to government agency. These are the basic. Make in India, Michelin Institute and taking advice that is a report called Culture 2015 to 2017. Metis Land Company approach to MIA program and companies express interest to join the program and person being contacted by this team and all the official member of this advanced strategic investment authority. Make in India business support program for the German Metis Land and family owned enterprises. So Digital India strengthens the Make in India vision, easy of doing business, enabling real time availability of the services in online and mobile platform, transform section of service through the digitization for easy of doing business, electronics and cashless financial transactions, job creation concern, 17 million direct jobs and at least 5% million indirect jobs are there. Electronic manufacturing, new zero import in the electronic by 2020. So Skill India, developing a skill set for the developing India, provide meaningful, industry relevant and skill-based training to our 400 million people. Kausal Bharat Mission. Number of trained Indian growth by 36.8%. 18 lakhs candidates have been trained till date. 40% have been trained for the manufacturing roles. ITI in the country has increased from the 10,750 in the May 2024 to 13,105 in May 2016. 8 new regional vocational training institutes for women open under the Indian Labour Development Program. 33 lakhs 43,311 persons have been trained. 24,023 compared to 96,131 trained during the 22 to 40. So, gender concern is exactly to release the gender Janthan means integrated approach to bring cancer in of all citizens. That is a 290 million account open so far. So, very big achievement by the government of India and the dynamic leadership of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So, Aadhaar, unique identity to every resident of the citizen. 1 billion involvement under the Aadhaar scheme. Mobile. India market is the second largest in the world, more than 1 billion mobile subscribers. Inclusivity, banking for the all, connectivity for all. 3 pillars to create huge demand, motivate investment, manufacturing, and economic growth to achieve the MIA vision. Another big thing. Make in India initiative, new infrastructure development to facilitate manufacturing and urbanization, industrialization, urbanization, drive economic growth and improve the quality of life of citizens by enabling industrial and urban infrastructure development. So, industrial corridor, this is another big Delhi Mumbai industrial corridor, Chennai Bangalore industrial corridor, Bangalore Mumbai economic corridor, Reliance Chennai industrial corridor, and Amritsar Kolkata industrial corridor. There is another big project by the government of India. This is a vision project that is going to implement for the development of India, for the developed India, not developing India. They are working too hard. After a long time, someone working for the creation of such a very fantastic temple in the Indian Republic of India. So industrial corridor, India new investment destination. Industrial corridor project, numerous advantages as an investment destination for the driving investment across the industrial, physical, urban and social infrastructure. Large land parcel, ICT enabled infrastructure, plant communities, plug and play services, easy of doing business, single video clearance, live bird play, playing and training, supporting policy and sustainability living. So Delhi Mumbai industry port concern, you will say that industry will reduce the transportation time of goods 14 hours, 14 days to 14 hours. Estimate investment $100 billion, dedicate strategic border around 1,504 kilometers as a backbone. Increase 7 states, namely Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, and Maharashtra. 24 investment regions, industrial areas will be developed. Develop 8 sustainable industrial cities with world-class infrastructure. 4 BMIC city, advanced state, Valora, Gujarat, 22.5 square kilometers. Lendra, Maharashtra, 8.39 kilometers per state. Integrated town, Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh, 745, 7.5 acres. Vikram Udaipuri, Vigyan, Madhya Pradesh, 8 acres. Environment clearance obtained. Construct to trunk infrastructure work begin. Skill manpower available in the close vicinity. Excellent community road and rate and land ready for allotment. Conditional land parcel across. I also like to urge to the government of India, especially Ministry of Ayush, government of India, Ministry of Health, government of India, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi to also he just create a mega medicity in India and give me the chance to work to create a mega city, medicity that will be the world largest medicity of the world. That is my vision, and I like to request the Prime Minister of India to just support us and just support us to make India as a developed nation to create a world biggest and largest and first mega city, mega medicity, IU city in India. So trunk infrastructure for all monsoon cities to compare by the 2019. So road doubling of the network by the highway by 2020. 20 kilometers of highway being constructed every day. 7,660 kilometers of national highway, expressway constructed 24 to 26, 24 to 16. Is a very well route rate of that Srinagar to Kanyakumari, or Wonder to Kolkata, or Wonder to Silchar, and Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, and Kanyakumari are like that. So this is going to railway concern, the opportunity, very big opportunity in the railway. 400 railway stations is going to build. Passenger amenities, modernization of the rolling stock, high-speed railway, steering system, trunk construction of long distance, port mining connectivity, and Eastern DFC is 1,840 kilometers. Western DFC is 1,500 kilometers. EDFC, WDFC will be completed by 2024. Planning state, North South Zone, East West Zone, and East Coast Zone, approved South and This is another big port and inland waterway, Sagarmali project, some cases means because that is a government in India is also working too hard under the dynamic leadership of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. That is the 150 billion opportunity, 150 billion of opportunity, 7 greenfield major project, 44 capacity enhancement project, 80% of port connectivity project, 7.8 new dry project, coastal and island project, 12 major ports, 200 other ports, and 5 waterways. Key private sector ports, Mundra, 5 bays, and Krishnapatnam, like that. National highway, major ports, and proposed major port, coastal maps, they follow the coastal map of the Yelview, New Bangalore, Kochi, NIM, Tuticorin, Camels, Comrias, Visakhapatnam, Paradise, like that. Is going to create shortly the dynamic leadership of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi Sahab in terms of Swadeshi, in terms of making India. In the aviation sector, around 80 billion USD dollar opportunity. That is the third largest market by the 2030. 8.6 increment traffic growth, 26.6 domestic traffic growth, and 250 airports. Is going to major airport, international airport, ongoing project, and airport cluster is going to major airport is ambitious, and like that, Lucknow is also one of the big ongoing projects is going on. So this blue dot concern major airport, Green Dot International Airport, or ongoing projects, the Red Cross and Aerospace Cluster is just like a triangle format system. So smart city concern is the answer 111 billion USD opportunity at the India. That is the 1798 smart city is going to develop by 2020. Traffic management system 33 city already shortlisted for the design and construction. 15 billion budgetary support over the next 4 years for the sewage system and waste management from the greenfield city, brownfield cities, and like that. So in the cases of good cities going to invest as a greenfield city, brownfield city, and later the 100% FDI is approved by the government of India. The 100% FDI, around 111 billion USD opportunity in the smart city project. It's a very big project. Focus on the affordable housing. Government of India is also Atal Mission for the Rejuvenations and Urban Transformation. That is the Amrit project. Aims to recast urban landscape with the capital outlay of 7.5 billion USD. Retrofitting work to be undertaken in the 500 cities in India. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana is also one of the primary aim to Prime Minister Awas Yojana. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana is that to ensure building 20 million house by 2020 in phase of first phase 100 cities to be done taken up then after the next city. So Make in India initiative, this is also Swadeshi concern, new design, innovation and research and development. So establishing an ecosystem to boost design, innovation and research and development, that is also part of the sustainable world or developed world, and develop India in the case of new design, innovation and research and development, establishing an ecosystem to boost design, innovation and research and development, lead to innovate India, startup India, intellectual property right them, investment in innovation and research and development of a large payoff in terms of economic growth and competitiveness in the global economy. So in the cases of startup India concerned, that is the third largest startup ecosystem globally is going to create by the government of India. 3 to 4 startups are born every day in India. That is a very good innovative study, scientific strategy is created in the India. That is more than 20,000 startups is already developed. Medium age as a founder of the medium age of the founder of the startup is a 31 years. It's a very big thing because at the earlier age, the founder created the system at the age of 50 or 60 years. But now it is the medium age of founder is 31 years. Dual Indian startup in a $1 billion club is already included. Dual Indian startup $1 billion club is already included. 55% of youth would prefer to work for the startup over corporate in 2060. The startup wave has captured the imagination of the youth. Tech startup are expected to be 11,500 in 2020 from 4,300 in 2050. Number of incubator has grown by 40% to 140 during the 15-16. What in the cases of 15, 20% growth in the number of active angel investors in study. Startup base has captured 530 plus active investors have emerged for the startup space. 530 active investors have emerged for the startup space. Total funding around 2.8 to $4 billion. Number of deals by 6.10% is the startup India is a very big studies that we created, and under the dynamic leadership of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the association with the team of leading team of the Innovation Society is ready to ready to work in line with the Innovate India project shortly. We have already submitted a document to the Government of India, and meanwhile, I'm trying to increase the concern of the streamlining of the IP process. So, in the cases of manpower augmentation in IP offices, 459 new patent examiners selected in addition to existing 130. 296 have started actual examination work, clearing backlog, reducing tendency, trademark examination up to 2.5 times in the financial year as against last year in January. Pendency in the trademark examination brought down from the 13 months to 1 month, much earlier than the target date of March. Pendency in the patent examination is targeted to be brought down from the present 5 to 7 years to 18 months. This is another big streamlining of intellectual property. So, in the cases of Make in India initiative, Government of India is also creating a new mindset in order to partner with the industry in economic development. Government shall act as a facilitator and not regulator like the China. In the China, government is just like a facilitator, not regulator. But here, again, Government of India is also trying to be act as a facilitator, not regulator. Means Government of India is trying to create a initiative from the red tapered to red corporate tapered, creating encouraging business ecosystem, enabling government and private sector work in the tandem toward common goals of economic development. So, as per the investment felicitation concern, Invest India, what number one investment promotion agency, that is the UNCTAD, is the cases. They created the structured roadmap of the investment awareness and investment engagement, and second is business advisory, strategy and implementation, investor after care, and long-term partnership. So, in the cases of body responded by the UNICAD, there's a 61,523 queries responded from the 119 countries and 34 states and cities. Across 43 sectors, efficient response time 92% to 32 hours and 38.78% in 34 hours. So, in the cases of the investment committed being felicitated around 60.55 million USD and 3.1 billion USD investment is felicitated from the UNICAD to the Government of India is 17,25,505 jobs already committed by UNCTAD, and around 2,86,946 jobs already provided. So, in the cases of the opportunity concern, India is trying to be and trying to promote a Make in India or Swadeshi movement again in the new shape. Swadeshi movement started in the 1995, and now again another form of Swadeshi movement is the Make in India in 2014 by the under dynamic leadership of the Government of India and dynamic leadership of under Prime Minister of India. So, they start first among the top 10 FDI destination is going to be India. First among the top 10 FDI destination is India. That reported is already published by UNCTAD. First among the world fastest growing economy in the world area, that is the International Monetary Fund report and United Nations. First among the best country to invest in, that will be the India, as a report published by the US News and BBC, IMS Corporation and World Standard. First among the world's most attractive investment destination is reported published by Ernst and Young country. First among the world's topmost greenfield FDI investor, that is published by the Financial Times. First among the investment destination bullet globally, that is a foreign policy magazine is already published. First choice of technical multinational company to set up research and development center outside their home country shall be India. That report is already published by Content Management Consultancy Company. First among the investment destinations and seventh most valued nation brand in the world, that is a brand name, shall be the India. And 15th place of the global innovation index up to increase, and 19th place of the logistics performance index, and up to 32 plus in the global competitive index, 62% growth in the foreign direct investment equity inflow 2014 to 2016, and 149 billion USD India highest ever recorded FDI inflow in 2014 to 2016. So with this word Make in India, we like to invite international consultant investors to be and invest in India and be the part of the innovative journey of the India and create the scientific center in India, create scientific energy in India, create startup synergy in India, create innovative synergy in India. With this word, I like to thank entire team of this group and entire team of the cabinet of the government of India. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Manav, Professor Ritu. Thank you very much.